Hi everyone, this is Pallavi Anand. Today is class 4. The topic is My cousin is coming home for dinner. Question: What is the surprise dish which Max plans to prepare for his cousin sister Neha? Listen to the complete video and type your answer in the comments section below. Introduction: Max is happy. One of his favorite cousin sisters, Neha, is coming to his home this weekend on Saturday for dinner. Neha is his paternal uncle's daughter. Neha is very close to Max as they both have studied together in school and have spent a lot of family time together. Max knows most of Neha's likes and dislikes. Neha also loves Max and loves to meet Max every time she's in his city. Neha works in another city and has come on an official trip to the city where Max is living. Neha has agreed to meet up with Max on the weekend Saturday and she's also excited about it. Max is going to give Neha a surprise by cooking her favorite food. Let's go through the conversation. Max, you're looking very happy today.
Yes, pal, I'm very happy today.
Max, can I know what is the reason?
Pal, my favorite cousin sister Neha is coming to meet me this weekend, Saturday.
That's great, but which cousin?
Neha is my paternal uncle's daughter.
Paternal uncle's daughter? You mean your father's brother's daughter?
Yes, my father's elder brother's daughter.
You seem to be very happy.
Yes, she is one of my favorite cousin sisters.
Nice to hear that, Max.
We have studied in the same school.
That's nice.
We have spent a lot of time together.
Nice, so you must be knowing her very well.
Yes, we have a very special bond.
That's good.
We share everything between us.
Amazing, you love her a lot.
I love her so much.
So does she stay in the same city?
No, she stays in another city.
Is she working or so?
Yes, pal, she is working.
What does she do?
She works as a marketing manager with a multinational company.
She must be well educated.
Yes, she has done her MBA in marketing.
I guessed it right.
You know, she always comes to meet me.
It's so nice of her, Max.
Whenever she is on an official trip in my city, she makes it a point to meet me.
Max, you're lucky to have a sister like her.
Yes, pal, I'm very lucky to have a sister like her.
So what are your plans for the weekend with her?
She is a foodie, so she will be coming over for dinner.
That's great. And what's the special menu?
I know her favorite dish.
What is her favorite dish?
She loves dal makhni and naan.
Wow, I love that too, Max.
Even I love dal makhni and naan.
You're a nice brother, Max.
You feel so, pal?
Yes, you're so concerned and happy about her.
Yes, I am always very happy to meet her.
So what are the other plans you have with her for the weekend, Max?
Nothing much. We'll have dinner and sit and chit chat.
So you won't go out anywhere?
No, not at all. We love to sit at home and chit chat.
That's so sweet, Max.
Yes, Neha is too simple. She loves to be home.
So enjoy your weekend, Max.
Thank you, pal.
Would love to hear about your weekend, Max.
Yes, we'll share it with you on Monday.
Thank you, Max. I look forward to it.
You are my friend, pal. You're always welcome.
See you, Max. Bye.
Bye, pal.
How was it? Let's look at the summary. Max loves his cousin sister Neha and is looking forward to meeting her this weekend. He has a surprise for her. He will be preparing her favorite dish for dinner. They love each other and are best of friends. They will be spending time over dinner and they would sit and chit chat together. Neha also makes time to meet up her cousin brother Max whenever she's in the city on an official trip. They have a very strong bond. Listening to Max about Neha, Pal is also excited to know more about her and is waiting to discuss about Max's weekend on Monday. Friends, English is about listening carefully and responding. Catch the important words. Listen to the sentences carefully. Listen to these conversations closely, repeatedly. Learn English with me, Pallavi Anand, through our day-to-day conversations. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any class. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy learning!